got? What the f is this now? Holy shit, what the f? What are you gonna do with that piece of shit?
What?
What are you gonna do with this piece of shit?
This? This is the hot rod. I just picked it up for parts for my Volvo.
You picked this up for parts for your Volvo.
I sure did.
Is it turbo? It is a turbo. I can tell you one thing. Oh yeah, wow. Tell you one thing.
It's a good turbo too.
I can tell you one thing. Whatever chicks you don't pick up with that car, you'll get them with this one.
Got that right. Look, let me see.
So now, what are you planning on doing here? Why is it in the middle of my drive? You gonna pull it with the Jeep?
I'm gonna pull it with the Jeep to put in the fence.
All right, knock it out. Come on, let's go.
I thought you were him.
What? Prestige Volvo. Is that what that says? East Hanover. I graduated from this town here in East Hanover. I used to ride my bike in front of this place like every day when I was a little kid.
Now it's just meant to be, and
this thing is unreal.
Check
what are
it
you
out.
showing me? Wow, look. Arizona iced tea. This guy actually lives in Maplewood, which is around the block from, what's it called? East Hanover. Maplewood, New Jersey. The owner of this company lives there, I think. That's what I heard. A water bottle. I think this had like chicken in it or something like that. That's not always nice. You got a thing from Wawa's. Here, you need some brake fluid. There you go. A Red Bull in case you have to push your car and you're feeling weak. Heads up, baby! What is this? Oh, is this for like headliners or some kind of stupid broken tail lights? These come in handy. Oh, wow. Actually, these are worth their weight in gold on these Volvos because they always get disintegrated. So it's good that you got this. Yeah. Anyhow, all right, come on, hook it up. You hook it up?
Now, my plans on this car, I was thinking.
Yeah, you're planning on which junkyard you're going to bring it over to? Go ahead.
I was thinking of putting rear glass.
What?
And just driving.
Oh, you're busting my balls. That's all you're doing.
Let me back this window up.
All right, let's see here. Good. All right, let's go.
Is he ready?
All right, pull slow.
Ready?
Nice and slow. Hold on. Yo, you could have told me where the I was going. Can't see shit. Back up a little. Alright, that's good. You couldn't fucking throw me a bone and tell me which way to go. You made me run into all the shit.
What the hell are you doing?
I can't fucking see out of this. The headliner's all out of the way.
I thought you could see something.
Come over here. Put air in the tires. Oh, that's better. Wait. Oh, what's this? I guess that was the scraping sound. It's all right, no problem. You don't need any of this stuff. Well, that Jeep's got some snot, don't it? It kicked up a little stone.
Watch.
Are you serious?
Where'd it go?
It's in front of you.
Where?
Are you serious?
Where?
Oh my God.
What?
Hit it.
Almost. Wait. Almost.
Why don't you watch it? That's better. Wow, you are the man of the year.
But the one
Or
that I
maybe 2
did first. But the one where it falls and stuff and I catch it
Oh,
again
they're all
and I
going
throw
on
it,
there.
Put that one, because that one
Yeah,
was
that's
good.
what we'll do. Come on, back up. Go! Alright, wait.
Okay?
Alright, wait. Alright, Tom, go back.
Turn left.
I can't. Mother, wait, stop. I'm not any better than I was. Yeah, I'm alright. Keep going. Come on, yo, that's it. Back up. Back up.
What he said?
Back up. Jesus, help me.
You know, my screen where that thing in there, so when you call me, I can't hear you.
Oh, yeah?
Well, at least you break it.
Just a miracle. And there you have it.
Well,
Stop staring at me. Taking over the world.
one Volvo at a time.